Have you ever stood there, hands in your pockets, wondering why she's so hard to figure out? You've devoured self-help books, repeated the canned lines from seduction coaches, sent bouquets on repeat, programmed goodnight texts like a robot. And yet, she's drifting away, slowly but surely. You tell yourself, I've tried everything. No, you've imitated everything. The real secret isn't in some dusty manual or cheap pickup lines. It's simpler, rawer, more powerful than anything you can imagine. A woman doesn't dream of recited poetry, syrupy declarations, or daily gifts. She dreams of one single thing, something she'll never tell you, even under torture. Say it at the right moment with the right tone, and she'll be the one chasing you, seeking you out, sticking to you like a shadow. Miss it and you become background noise, just another guy, forgotten before you're even noticed. This isn't manipulation, brother. It's pure courage. As Epictetus said, what happens to us is nothing compared to what we choose to make of it. Your choice starts here now in the next lines. Get ready. What you're about to read will reshape how women see you forever. 1. Why she hides it and how to read it without a word. She'll never hand you the treasure map. Not because of some cosmic plot or because she's playing games, but because showing vulnerability scares her. Just like it scares you, like it scares me. Throwing a "what do you really want?" at her over dinner will get you a polite reply, a 4-cheese pizza. End of story. Her mind isn't a safe to crack. It's a garden. Some flowers bloom alone, in the shade, without artificial sunlight. Water them too much and you drown them. Rip them up to check if they're growing and you kill them. Seneca, that old Stoic sage, summed it up in a golden phrase: patience is the greatest of virtues. Your role? Become fertile soil. Project confidence so solid that she no longer fears dropping her thorns. 0 pressure. 0 surveillance. 0 texts every 5 minutes to check if she's still breathing. Let silence do its work. Listen to what she doesn't say. Watch where her eyes linger when she thinks you're not looking. When you stop forcing the door, she cracks it open herself. And then you enter not as a conqueror, but as a man who knows how to wait. That's where the magic happens. No rushing. No "I love you" after 3 days. Just a calm, grounded presence that says, I'm here, and I won't move until you ask me to. Apply this and you'll see. She'll start speaking. With her gestures, her silences, her half-smiles. You won't need to ask anymore. 2. The subtle and devastating power of the right words. Forget rock-hard abs. I love yous tossed like confetti. Can phrases stolen from TikTok. It doesn't work. It never has. A woman doesn't fall in love with your muscles or your empty declarations. She falls in love with what your words awaken in her. Not just any words. The right ones. The ones that click like a key in an ancient lock. Imagine hundreds of guys jiggling the handle with plastic keys. You show up with the real one. Click. The door opens. Epictetus again. The first great victory is conquering your own words. This isn't about poetry, rhymes, or dumb metaphors. It's about surgical authenticity. Every syllable must prove that you've seen her, not her body, not her Instagram smile, but her entirely, with her flaws, her sparks, her universe. No filler. No endless "you're beautiful." One single phrase, delivered at the right moment, is worth more than a 3-hour speech. Example? Instead of "I love you," say, "Your silence when you're thinking fascinates me more than any speech." Boom. You've touched her soul. You've told her, I see you. Really. And then, something shifts. Her defenses drop. She feels safe. And safety, brother, is the ultimate aphrodisiac. 3. 3 precise phrases that ignite her inner fire and how to deliver them. Timing is 90% of the game. No script. No recitation. Just you, your voice, your eyes, and 3 phrases that change everything. Phrase 1. There's something in you that makes me want to dig deeper every time you speak. Say it when she shares an idea, even a mundane one. Effect. She feels unique. Phrase 2. I love how your mind works. It's rare, and it makes me curious. Say it after a debate, a joke, a strong opinion. Effect. She feels intelligent, not just pretty. Phrase 3. Your way of seeing the world magnetizes me. I can't get enough of it. Say it at the end of the evening, eyes locked, no forced smile. Effect. She feels irreplaceable. No, you're the most beautiful. No, I can't live without you. Those are flash fires. Mine? They're embers. They smolder. They warm. They last. And above all, say them like you've meant them forever. No theatrics. No dramatic pause. Just the truth, raw and direct. Look her in the eyes. Let the silence after the phrase do its work. You'll see her pupils dilate. You'll see her body lean toward you. You'll see that uncontrollable smile emerge. That's how you know you've hit the center. 4. The 4 fatal mistakes that kill the spark and how to avoid them forever. You think everything's fine. You're talking. You're laughing. And suddenly, nothing. She replies in monosyllables. She vanishes. Why? Because you committed one or more of these mistakes, and you didn't even realize it. Mistake 1, the heroic monologue. You talk about yourself, your achievements, your struggles, your ex, your dog, your boss. She nods, but she's elsewhere. Solution. Listen twice as much as you speak. Ask a question. Shut up. Let her fill the space. Mistake 2, instant availability. You reply in 0.2 seconds. You pick up at 3 a.m. You cancel your plans for her. Result? You're no longer a man, you're customer service. Solution. Create scarcity. Wait 30 minutes. Sometimes an hour. Live your life. She needs to wonder, where is he? What's he doing? Mistake 3, fake perfection. You never show a flaw. Always strong. Always smiling. Always I'm good. Result? You're a plastic mannequin. Solution. Share a real struggle without whining. Example. I screwed up this project at work. It made me doubt myself, but I'm bouncing back. She'll feel closer. Mistake for empty words. You're so beautiful. I love you. You're my princess. It's all noise. Solution. Replace with precise observations. Instead of you're beautiful, say, your laugh when you talk about your brother is contagious. Perfect balance. Speak little, listen a lot. Be present, but not clingy. Show your flaws, but stay standing. Mystery isn't absence. It's chosen presence. Master these 4 pillars: patience, right words, timing, balance, and you'll never chase a woman again. She'll be the one running, calling, seeking you out. Drop, I get it, in the comments if you're ready to speak her language. The real one. Not from books, from the heart.